Hey everyone, recognized for its creative use of technology, Black Shark is making a foray into the wearable tech space with their most recent invention, the Black Shark Ring. With its cutting-edge features, this sleek and fashionable ring seeks to encourage a healthy lifestyle, in addition to being aesthetically beautiful. Convenience and functionality are two of the Black Shark Ring's primary selling factors. Its intelligent touch and one-handed control features allow users to easily switch between its many tasks. Black Shark's dedication to accessibility and user experience is shown in this appearance decision. The Black Shark Ring sets itself apart with its sleek and comfortable appearance, offering users a seamless and unobtrusive wearable tech experience. Boasting a sophisticated silver color scheme and an ultra-thin 2.2mm profile, the ring is optimized for maximum comfort, aiming to provide a non-feeling wearing sensation. This focus on user comfort underscores Black Shark's dedication to merging style with practicality. One of the standout features of the Black Shark Ring is its impressive battery life, capable of lasting up to 180 days on a single charge. This long-lasting performance is made possible by the accompanying charging compartment, which not only ensures convenience, but also adds a touch of elegance to the overall appearance. The inclusion of a subtle LED light on the front of the charging case enables users to easily monitor the charging status of the ring, adding to the user-friendly experience. With Black Shark generating excitement for the launch of this cutting-edge wearable, it's obvious that smart rings are going to be a popular tech accessory. Smart rings such as the Black Shark Ring are a less obtrusive option for those looking for a tech solution that is both powerful and minimalist. The smart ring industry is already being entered by other businesses, such as Samsung, so further developments in wearable technology are likely in the future. The development of smart gadgets and their potential to improve our daily lives make this an exciting moment to be alive. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you liked it, so don't forget to hit the like button. Have a nice day and God bless you.